So here's Tony's car all fixed up, de-turted and everything. Look how nice and everything's fitting. Tony repainted it, buffed it out. This car is one of those cars that he whacked that deer and then they came out nicer fixing it than it ever was before. So we'll get a little closer look at it. See, he's got a nice built 327 in it, Muncie 4-speed trans. Just a nice car. He's upgraded the seats to be more comfortable. But check out how straight and solid that is. And you know, when he popped that deer, they got the hood and the grill, but he was never happy with the fenders and stuff. So he straightened it all out. Look how nice and tight those tires fit that wheel well. Yeah, it's a nice little Chevy too. So look how nice and neat that motor is. So look, nothing bent, everything's all perfect, like it never happened. If you didn't see this video, you would never know he did it. So look how nice and clean that is. He put a hydraulic clutch in, so he can skip leg day at the gym now because he doesn't have to have a strong leg to push in the old mechanical clutch. Oh boy, it's nice and clean under here. No more GoPro mount. This is a pretty little car. Tony's been into body work and building cars for years, and he had this car, and I remember he was never truly happy with the paint job on it. So hitting that deer was a bit of a blessing, I guess, because he was able to fix it up. And he said it was amazing. It was if you watch in the video, you'll see the Corvette in there, but it was Toby's 55 Chevy, and then the Corvette, and then this Nova, and then Glenn's 55 here. Tony says that it was, of all the cars, his car was the best one to take the deer out. So, so he took one for the team, and now it's back and better than ever. And just the fit and finish on it is better. The paint job is better. The whole car is better. So he really took some lemons and made some lemonade. Tony, did you eat the deer?
No. It was a little deer. It was mango. You did have to shoot it.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Okay, at least you got that out of it.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys.